Hey, my name is Adner. Welcome to Eden Valley Farm. Today, I'm going to show you the update on the greenhouse. You've seen us transplant the greenhouse, and as well, you were seeing when we were preparing the greenhouse. And if you haven't seen those videos, just after this one, go and check those out. But let me show you the greenhouse and how they're doing. I'm going to show you both of them, so hold on tight. Now, right here, very good, the progress of the tomatoes and how they're making really good progress. One of the things that I want to show you is when the tomatoes in particular, right up here, start greening up, that means that the tomato is starting to grip, they're starting to hold on, they're starting to absorb all the nutrients that are in the soil and as well that you have fertilized them with. So I'm going to show you a different plant actually. If you look right here very close to this plant, you can see that you have a yellow leaves, and those are old basically when we plant them. But you can see this new top right here is starting to green up, and the plant is starting to absorb all the nutrients. But this is basically what the greenhouse looks like right now. The first greenhouse there, the tomatoes are growing really fast, and tomatoes grow very fast. Now this is when the variety really impacts the growth and as well what you're seeing. I'm going to show you in this greenhouse we have about 5 varieties. We have a slicing tomatoes, we have 3 cherry tomatoes, and we have an heirloom that is yellow tomato. Now let me show you something. This cherry tomatoes right here is very aggressive, has a lot of vigor, produce quite a lot of tomatoes, and you can see this is the only plant in the greenhouse right now that have leaves, flowers already, and you can see they are already setting flowers. You can see as well right here that you have suckers development, and that is because this plant has a lot of vigor. Basically this plant has a lot of energy, and it's a yellow cherry tomatoes. Now let me show you this greenhouse. Okay, this is the greenhouse that we were in just now. We have these 2 greenhouses that are planted. So right now we have 3 greenhouses, and this one is basically 40 feet wide by 120 feet long. And this one, what we're going to be in, is more of a regular, which is 96 long by 30 feet wide. So 30 by 96. All right, now this one right here, you can see the growth as well of this one. Doing really good. One of the things that I want to show you, if you see for example this burnt leaves right here, and that is because when we planted this greenhouse, it was a little bit cold outside, and we didn't take as much of a care from the seed house to the greenhouse. So basically in between, they got a little burn with the cold. And the reason I show you this because I want to be honest with you so that you can learn. And when you transplant your tomatoes, you have to be very careful, because if it's 40 degrees outside, yes, you might be in t-shirt, but the plants don't really like that. So just make sure you take care of your seedlings properly. I was just wanting to show you the update of these 2 greenhouses. And by the way, thank you for watching, subscribe. And if you really want to learn more and take your gardening journey seriously this year, I want to help you. Eden Valley has put a comprehensive online course. So click the link below and start your course today. I'm going to give you as well a free consultation with me so you can be successful at gardening this year. And whether you want to set up a full greenhouse like this or just have a small backyard garden. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.